The name of our lesson today is Sound Moves. Sounds move. What is the meaning of move? Move means travel. Like I am teaching you online, I am sitting in my home and you people are sitting in your home. So you are listening to me and understanding. What this means, my voice is traveling from my laptop to your laptop or tablet. Your mom is maybe cooking in the kitchen while you are studying. Your dad is talking. Or this is, you hear his voice. This means you are, this means sound travels. In the sky, if the airplane or jet is moving, you heard it. This means that sound travels. Sound moves. And sound moves through the materials. Sound moves. How sound moves? In the air, in the solid things. As you can see, wood, metal, these are the materials in which sound travels. If you close the door, when you close the window made of aluminum, this means it makes sound. So a lot of things around us, they make sound. How can we hear these things? We can hear these things when the sound comes to our ear. Can anyone hear the man? Look, the man is sinking in the water, drowning. Look, he was riding on a boat and the boat is sinking. So the man is shouting, he is asking for help because his boat is, the man is drowning. The man is yelling, shouting. He is making sound. He is calling for help so that someone will help him. So he is making a noise so that someone will come to help him. Nearby, there is a girl, but she cannot listen to the boy. Why she cannot listen this now the boy? Because she is listening something else. She is listening something else. So when the boy is crying, the girl cannot hear him. She is listening to music. She is putting headphones on her ears. That is why she cannot hear the boy. So the boy is shouting for help, 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 because he is drowning inside the water. This is called drowning. So the girl cannot listen. The sound is moving, reaching towards her, but the sound that is near to the girl, that is so high, so loud that she cannot hear the shout or the cry of the boy. She cannot hear the cry of the boy because she is listening to the music and there is a ship. There are men also in the ship, and they cannot also hear the boy. Why they cannot hear the boy? Because it is far, and the sound of ship is not letting them hear the man. When you are near, the sound is louder. When you are away, the sound is quieter. So that's why the sound, when reaches to the men here in the ship, the sound becomes quieter. Okay, I will give you an example. While I am teaching, all of you are listening to me carefully because my voice is loud. You can understand it. When we have finished the class, there you open your room and go outside. There is many different kinds of sound outside. So if you are in one room and your siblings, your brother and sister are in another room, you cannot hear them. Why? Because they are far. So when the voice comes to you from far, it is quiet. If, look, coming back to the picture, the girl is near to the boy. If she removes her headphones, she can easily hear the boy because she is near to the boy. The sound is louder. But when the man on the ship, they are far away from the boy. They are far away from the boy. So when the boy is shouting, the men cannot hear him because they are far, and the voice and the sound becomes quieter. How far do sounds go? How far do sounds go? See the picture. When the children are standing in the line and one girl is making a noise, they are actually making a practical to understand how far the sound moves. Who can hear the sound loudly? Here in these three children, who can hear the sound loudly? Obviously, the first boy can hear the sound loudly. Why? Because he is near. He is near. He is near the sound. The girl is making sound here with the triangle. She is making the sound with this equipment. The boy who is near to it can hear the sound loudly. Whereas who can hear the sound quietly? The last boy, the last kid can hear the sound quietly. Why he can hear the sound quietly? Because he is far from the sound source. He is far from sound source. This boy can hear loud sound. Why? Because he is near to the sound source, or you can say source of sound. So when you are near the sound of the source, you hear clearly and loudly. What about when you are far? When you are far, you cannot hear the sound quietly. You can hear the sound quietly when you are far. Okay. We can use a megaphone to make our voices sound louder and go further. If you are here and you are making the sound louder, how can you make the loud sounder? with the help of megaphone. If you are using megaphone, it will make your voice louder. It will make your voice louder, and it will go far, far away. It will go far away. Like you can say, why can we hear the azan? Because they are speaking in the megaphone or in the mic. So from the speakers who are put in different areas, from there sound travels to our ears and we understand that this is the time for praying. This is time for praying. When sounds are when the sound sources are away from the source of sound, they become quieter. They become quieter. Like this man, this boy. When he is far away, the sound will travel from him. He is in a distance, so the sound will travel and it will be quieter. The sound will become quieter. Whereas the boy who is standing in front, he will hear the sound loud and clear. He will hear the sound loud and clear. What have you learned? Sound goes quieter as it moves away from the source. Here, you can see when sound travels from a girl to the boy, what is happening? The sound is traveling in distance. Sound is traveling to the distance. Understand, boys?